Rolls Royce. The name alone evokes images of prestige, power, and unparalleled luxury. Founded in 1904, the company's dedication to craftsmanship and engineering excellence quickly cemented its place at the pinnacle of automotive achievement. A Rolls Royce is not just a car, it's a statement. From the iconic spirit of ecstasy to the hand-stitched leather interiors, every aspect exudes opulence and exclusivity. It's this dedication to hand-built quality that truly sets Rolls-Royce apart. The creation of a Rolls-Royce begins in the minds of designers, where imagination knows no bounds. These visionaries sketch and brainstorm tirelessly, bringing to life the initial concepts that will eventually become a masterpiece on wheels. And it's not just the designers who dream big. The discerning clientele, with their unique tastes and desires, play a crucial role in shaping these luxury vehicles. They bring their own dreams and aspirations to the table, ensuring each car is a true reflection of their personality. Each car is often a bespoke creation, tailored to the exact specifications and desires of its future owner. From the stitching on the seats to the color of the paint, every detail is meticulously crafted to meet the client's vision. This process is a collaboration, a dialogue between the client and the design team. It's a journey of mutual inspiration where ideas are exchanged, refined, and ultimately brought to life. Want a starlight headliner that mimics the constellations on the night you were born? No problem. The design team can make it happen, turning your car's interior into a personal night sky. Desire a humidor built into the door stocked with your favorite cigars? Consider it done. The level of customization available is truly astounding, catering to even the most unique requests. The possibilities are limited only by the client's imagination and the laws of physics. Whether it's a custom paint job, unique interior materials, or innovative technological features, the design team is ready to bring any vision to life. This digital blueprint serves as the roadmap for the artisans and craftsmen who will bring this automotive dream to life. Every line and curve is a testament to the collaborative effort and shared passion for perfection. A Rolls Royce is more than just a car. It is a statement of unparalleled luxury and craftsmanship. It's a sanctuary of luxury, designed to provide an oasis of calm and comfort amidst the hustle and bustle of the outside world. Only the finest hides are selected for the leather interiors, ensuring a supple and luxurious feel that is second to none. These hides are sourced from the top 1% of bull hides, chosen for their exceptional quality and durability. Wood veneers, chosen for their unique grain patterns and rich colors, add a touch of natural elegance to the interior. These veneers are sourced from sustainable forests around the world, ensuring that luxury does not come at the expense of the environment. Each piece is carefully matched and hand-finished by skilled craftsmen to create a seamless flow of natural beauty throughout the cabin, enhancing the overall aesthetic. The iconic spirit of ecstasy can be crafted from polished stainless steel, a symbol of timeless elegance and sophistication. It can also be made from solid silver, gold, or even adorned with precious stones, making each emblem a unique masterpiece. Each car can be finished in any color imaginable, with a palette that spans the entire spectrum. Clients even have the option to provide a custom color sample, ensuring their vehicle is truly one of a kind. The final result is a paint finish so deep and reflective, it captures the essence of luxury. It's like looking into a pool of liquid metal, a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into every Rolls Royce. Hand-built heritage. From chassis to masterpiece. The assembly of a Rolls Royce is a blend of modern technology and time-honored craftsmanship. It all starts with the aluminum space frame chassis, providing a lightweight yet incredibly strong foundation. The iconic Rolls Royce grille is then carefully put in place, each vertical slat perfectly aligned by hand. The engine, a masterpiece of engineering, is then lowered into the engine bay. Master craftspeople hand-stitch the sumptuous leather seats and meticulously fit the wood veneers. The level of detail is astounding. The pursuit of perfection. Quality control at Rolls Royce. No Rolls Royce leaves the factory without undergoing rigorous tests and inspections. Each vehicle is meticulously examined by a team of highly skilled quality control specialists who ensure that every detail meets the highest standards. From the paintwork to the stitching on the seats, nothing is overlooked. Every car undergoes a high-speed test on a private track where its performance, handling, and braking are put through their paces. This ensures that each Rolls Royce delivers the smooth and powerful driving experience that the brand is known for. This is followed by noise, vibration, and harshness tests, ensuring the cabin remains whisper quiet. Engineers use advanced equipment to measure sound levels and vibrations, making sure that the ride is as serene as possible. The monsoon test subjects the car to torrential rain and high winds to ensure watertight seals. This rigorous testing guarantees that every Rolls Royce can withstand the harshest weather conditions without compromising on comfort or safety. This relentless pursuit of perfection is what has made Rolls Royce the benchmark of automotive luxury for over a century. Every detail, no matter how small, is crafted with precision and care, ensuring that each car is a masterpiece of engineering and design. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.